may notice a different sound. I've got an FMF Q4 with Mega Bomb, which I put on, EJK unit and K&N filter, and I'm just waiting on my Anarchy tyres, Anarchy Wilds, and then I'll change the sprockets over. I've got a 13 on the front, 42 on the rear. I can't be asked to take the rear tyre off, the rear wheel off, just to change the sprocket and then put it back on again. I'll wait until I've got my tyres, and then I'll just take the back wheel off once. Another wet night last night, very wet night last night, blowing old boots. I was going to take the XSR out, but the rain put pay to that. So now I'm taking my little thumper out, and as usual I need to get fuel. Got a tiny little tank on this thing. Well, this is a little lane called Bashurst Lane. Never been down here before. I'm just basically just poking about, being nosy, which is what this bike's really good for. And of course this time of year you get to see everything through the hedges. Which is quite nice. So I'm not particularly herring about today like a lunatic. But I'm going to head for the South Downs again, so I'm heading into the sun. Still running her in, done about 300 miles now. Taking a bit of time to run her in, but I'd rather do it properly. On the grand scale of things, the first 600 miles is not an awful lot, and then once I've changed the oil, we're good to go. So basically I'm just putting some miles on her really, coming down a few Sussex lanes. I think this comes into Coneyhurst. I did sort of look on the map when I left, but of course that's sort of gone straight out the window virtually as soon as I leave. But nice sound to it now. I keep flipping the throttle open to get that pulling sound. Fuck off, you bastard. Well, how much fucking room do you want? Oh, I love the sound of this now. I want to really wind her up, but I can't. I mustn't. Well, that sun just plays tricks with my eyes through the trees. Ooh, get a nice sort of echoey beat through that little bit. Nice. When the sun's in your eyes and you're going into shadow, very difficult to see anything at all. You just kind of keep going and hope for the best. Lovely little place. Oh, shish kebab. Straight over, I would guess. Queen's Head, I would guess. Church Street. Oh, that's Storrington that way. Awesome. Lovely little village. No problem, no problem. Wankers. Just makes you think, you know, I just want to just go past horses and give it plenty of that. Straight up the hill. This is nice on the XSR. Not so nice on this. It's a big old hill. He's in fifth. Lovely, love that sound. The old thumper. That's a pretty damn good view. Let's have a read on this, see what this says. no tipping. CCTV in operation. Doesn't say I can't go through here.